pouring it in, just stirring it, stir it evenly until you feel the mixture is completely mixed. Just continue stirring it. The reason for this is that we want it to combine well. You see, unga roll, it's very difficult to mix with water alone. So for it at least to hold the water very quickly, you have to mix it with other ingredients so that when the water is poured in, it is easy to mix. That is unga roll and soda ash, the so-called magadi. So the one which is being poured in right now. Now we are pouring in phosphoric acid. Now we have 3 ingredients in the basin. That is unga roll, soda ash, and sulfonic acid. That too, you'll have to mix it so well so that it hold. Mix it, stir it like that, so that it will be able to mix well and hold completely. You'll continue doing this until you find the mixture is satisfying to you. Alright, you can see that it has completely mixed up. It's doing so well, you're doing so well. That is great. Continue mixing. Continue stirring it, mixing it until you feel the mixture is completely mixed. Continue mixing so that we can get the mixture which is wanted. So the one which is being poured in now is industrial sugar, and industrial salt, sorry, which is being poured in, and we'll mix it together with caustic soda. Alright, make sure the place you are in is well ventilated, because you can see some of that is caustic soda is escaping through the air, and if you're not careful it can cause harm. Also, precautions measures should also be taken. It is advisable to wear gloves, and you also put on the mask. You can also mix that well. Continue mixing it. Mix it until it's completely mixed with the other. So you almost have 4 ingredients. We have soda ash, we have mixed unga roll, sulfonic acid, industrial salt, caustic soda. So mix it. Now you can feel that the unga roll is completely mixed into this ingredient. So it will be easy to mix it with water. So we can continue mixing it until you feel the mixture is okay with you. Alright. You pour it in a basin because it has completely been mixed. You pour it in a basin. Pour all the mixture in a basin so that none is wasted, because our target here is 20 liters. We want to get a very thick and quality soap. Even if you are going to use it for a commercial purposes, it can serve it. If you give it to a client, it is worth what they are buying. So after that, you pour in, that is a 10 liter. You will mix it first with 10 liters so that it can go evenly with the mixture. All the ingredients are now here. There's one which we have now, the perfume and the color. Now here we have to mix it. This needs a thorough mixing, a complete mixed up, so that you can see it has started to form. But continue mixing, because there's still some residues at the bottom. You can feel there's some residues at the bottom. You continue mixing it. Continue mixing it. Continue mixing it till you feel that residues are all gone. But at this moment, we have a long mixing to do. It's not an easy task. It needs a lot of effort. But at the end of it, you can see now it's starting coming thick, a little bit thicker. Interesting. Very interesting. Our soap has started forming little by little. It'll start form. You can see it's a little bit thick, but not yet. Because that is just 10 liters as we have poured in. We have to add more water inside. But forgive us an easy mixture. We have to use a little bit of water so that it mixes well. Continue mixing. Continue mixing. Continue mixing. Continue mixing. It has a lot of foam, you can see. It's becoming thicker and thicker. Wow. It's turning out to be great. So we will do it. So long mixing. You can add some small water if you feel it's becoming thicker. Add more water. Now we've added 20 liters on top. Now that is how far the soap has become. Still mixing till you feel there's no residue left at the bottom. Continue mixing. Continue mixing. Now you can see the soap. Now that is color. You're going to use the green color. Mix it also because this is soluble with the water. You have to mix it because if you put it direct to the soap, it might cause some lumps. So it is advisable to mix it with a little water so that it's completely soluble. You mix it well until all the lumps are gone, then put it in your soap. You mix well. So you mix it until the mixture is completely even. You can see. Now since the foam is still on top, it's not easy to see the complete result. But we will let it settle. Well, now this is our final product. You can pack it anyhow you want. You can put it in a 5 liter, in a 1 liter can. Thank you guys.